Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PONSY token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, PONSY watches over the Robinhood chain with quit conviction, believing that every great community beings with a single believer. He stands as a symbol of unity, bringing builders, dreamers, and believers together under one family. Ponzi proves that the strongest communities are not built by one cat alone, they are built together one belief at a timer. Ponzi proves that the strongest communities are not built by one cat alone, they are built together one believer at a time. Ponzi token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Ponzi token. Ponzi token is listed on Uniswap V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.